Hey guys, welcome back to yet another tutorial. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. My name is Mami Abna. I make hair videos and more DIY videos, so please stick with me. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this crochet frontal wig cap. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So let's run through the things that we'll be needing for this towel. You first of all need your hair. Any hair would do. I just found this on the market. It's 35 inches hair. It comes in 4 in a pack. The hair feels so soft, like really soft, but I don't know if it will be good for heat. I have no idea, but we will see. You need a crochet hook, scissors, and of course a rattle comb. So this is me showing you how the wig cap is. I just went ahead to sew my closure nets on this wig cap. So this is me showing you how soft and flexible the hair is. So before we start, I'm just going to go ahead to remove the rubber band that came with the hair, and this is me showing you how I section the hair to crochet. If you've been on this channel, you would know how to do this, because I have a lot of video on my channel on how I do crochet wig caps. Is basically simple. First of all, you need to make sure that your latch hook or your crochet hook is opened. Slide the latch hook through the nets. As you're seeing, it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, depending on how you want it. And then attach your hair. When you attach your hair, close the latch hook and then pull it through. And then when you pull it through with the loop on the other side, tie it up to make a knot. Just one and you are good to go. No need to tie it twice because the hair is not slippery. I'm going to go ahead to repeat the process till I get to the top. So let me first of all tell you the struggles I went through whilst filming this video or whilst doing this hair. First of all, with this crochet cap or wig cap that I use, I have never used it before, and I'm not really a fan of these type of caps. I always prefer stocking caps. If you watch my videos, you would know I always use stocking cap, but I was like, let me just try this particular one because I've been seeing people using it, and it's not good. Like after the video, the cap doesn't fit on my head. I have a very small head, and these type of caps don't really fit my head. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you have really small head, please don't use these type of caps because it won't fit. Stocking caps will be perfect for you. Okay, so when that was done, this is how the hair looks like. As you may see, like it's so long and nice. So moving on, I'm just going to go ahead to repeat the process through till I get to the top, and then when I get to the lace closure side, I'll show you guys how I was able to do that side as well. So just enjoy the video. So now moving on to the closure side, as you may see, I've already started doing the closure side already, or the frontal side already. My knots look kind of huge and visible right here because I'm not using a ventilation or ventilating pin. I'm using a normal crochet hook but in a smaller size, so it's not able to pick the whole one like it should with a ventilating needle. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. And also with the closure net that I'm using, it's not good at all. Like this whole video, I wasn't expecting so many things to happen, but such as life. So I just had to make my way through. I tried to pick the holes in the hair, like 2 holes to 2 strands of hair, but when I did that, the net started ripping off. You may see I have a lot of holes in between the net. I just had to make my way around it to kind of not make it visible, you see. So if you have a ventilating needle, try to loop the hair in 1 or twice. That would be perfect. But with this, I wasn't really counting. I was just picking it in smaller section. That is how come my knots are huge like this. But anyways, it's a cheap hair. It's a crochet hair. For this particular hair, it cost me 25 cedis for the pack. That's about $4. So it's really cheap. So I'm not really bothered, but just that the time that I wasted on this hair, it took me a whole month to finish this ventilation side. Yes, it takes a long process. If it was to be closure just at the front, that would have been easy, but this is a whole frontal, ear to ear, 13 by 4. So it took me a whole month. So if you are doing this and you know you would want to wear it for a long time, please try and get human hair, or better still, kanekalon hair. This hair is not kanekalon, so it will not last you like a kanekalon hair would. So here I was halfway done with my ventilation, and at this point I was really tired, so I just had to pause the video and finish offline. So yeah, so here I was done with the whole crochet, ventilation, whatever, and I was so happy. This is how it came out, even though the wig doesn't really fit properly on my head, but I'll show you pictures of when I wore it. The next step is to dip the hair in hot water because I didn't want to spend time in straightening this hair. It's pretty long and it's really full. I didn't want to straighten it at all. A subscriber actually told me to do this, dip my hair in hot water. So this is my first time trying it, so let's see how the results will come out. I'm just pouring the water on the hair, and then I'm going to dip it in for some few minutes and then bring it out. Once the hair was dry, this is how it's looking like. I'm not really mad though. The hair looks really nice. So I'll give it like a 60 out of 100. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys all in my next tutorial. Bye.